I'm Jonas, and when I'm not punching the good old Everlast, or drumming... Okay. My trusty, rusty pliers. These pliers have so many uses. You can fix your furnace. You can even fix your punching bag. Is it rolling? With these trusty pliers, you can even tighten that loose nut. Oh yeah, loose. It's loose. Just kidding! Okay. These pliers help you draw better. You can use it as a mustache. You can give yourself a purple nurple. Ouch! Pliers, in the next 5 minutes, you'll get a pipe wrench. See, look at the mustache holder. Look at it, look at it. Oh, look at it go. Order now for only $16.95. Or I'll burn you in a house of fire. Burning up for you, baby.